friends, it's Danny here, and it is day 21 of my Tag a Day November for 2025. In the description box below, you'll find a link to a playlist that has all of this year's tags, as well as a link to all the tags on my channel, and I will link all the supplies that are still available. So, what did I use for today's tag? I pulled out this Holiday Reboot big stamp kit from the Greeting Farm. For my dies, I did use the Scrappy Boy Torn Edge Nesting dies, and they are another set that you have the dies for the holes for like the ribbon or twine or whatever. Since I do mine with layers, it's very hard to get the dies to go through, so I did not use those. Whoever receives this tag, because I am giving all these tags away in my Facebook group. The link is in the description box. Just make sure that you answer all the questions. You can add a ribbon or something like with a staple, or you can punch a hole, whatever, but I did leave the holes off, so I use those. I used the Scrappy Boy Stamps Stitched Nesting Oval die set, and I used the Jaded Blossom border dies, and then these are long retired. I believe it's from Whimsy Stamps was where this Snowflake was from. And also another long retired, this Stamping Up Warmth and Cheer 6x6 paper stack. It's got some really fun patterns in it. I need to use it more. I have a sneeze and it just won't come. Oh, excuse me, goodness. Oh, here is my tag for today. I hadn't done any of the EN stamps, so I thought it was time I did that. And this one's not really Christmassy, it's more winter, but Let It Snow, some of that fun paper that mimics that sweater, and then those snowflakes, and then Ian. I colored him in the red and the yellow. I just thought it turned out nice. And I know a lot of people don't like winter. I do. To be fair, I don't have to drive in it very often, so I think that kind of makes a difference, but I don't think I've kept it quiet. I'm not a huge fan of summer. I don't like being hot, so I enjoy the nice cooler temperatures, and yes, I even like those ice cold days where the wind is biting through you. I just add more layers. In the summertime, you can only take so many layers off. Anyways, I'm in another rambling mood. I will let you be, but there's my tag for day 21. Till my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.